This is Holystone HS720G, and today I'll show how you can change the video recording resolution in this drone. In the beginning, open the camera view of the Ophelia Fly app. Then look below shutter button and tap on this icon here. Now make sure to select the second section, the picture section should I say, and now you can switch the video shooting resolution between Full HD or 1080p and 4K. And as you can see, also while switching the video recording resolution, you are also setting the frame rate. So for Full HD you get 60 FPS and for 4K only 30, which is only fair for a drone like that, I guess. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.